Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel below to receive any further videos that are coming out soon. Before we start, I must stress that everything on this video I will be offering you today free of charge. No PayPal, no credit cards, nothing. Okay, and at the end of this video I'm going to show you where you can pick up my bonus bonanza, and trust me, you won't be disappointed in that. So today I want to talk to you about WordPress affiliate system. It's a seven-part video, step-by-step video course. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick introduction here.
Do you have a product or service that is being sold on your WordPress site? Do you want others to sell your product for you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, what you're going to want to do is you want to create a WordPress-based affiliate system as your solution. You see, the problem with most third-party affiliate systems is that they don't work too well on WordPress sites. Or if they do, they tend to be very complex WordPress affiliate scripts. Now, there are two obvious problems here that you're going to need to solve. Number one, you're going to need a good strategy. So if you don't have one, I'm going to show you how to create one that makes your affiliates happy by paying them generously and paying them on time. And number two, we're going to take that idea and create a system that molds into your already existing site that has the ability to sell your products and services without having to adjust too much. This way, as a product creator, you can focus more on marketing, getting affiliates, and creating more products. So this is a 7-part step-by-step video course that we've created for you, and this is what we call the WordPress affiliate system. Now, I've created this video training course so that you can look over my shoulder as I take you by the hand and show you how in this step-by-step training. So here is a quick video's overview of what's inside this video course. Video number 1 is the introduction. We'll talk about what you need before you get started, and you'll be given a quick overview of everything as a whole so you know exactly what to expect. Video number 2 will talk about the planning process of planning how and what you want to see in your affiliate program. And then, of course, in video number 3, we are going to take that brainstorm planning and we are going to map it out so that you can clearly see the structure, step 1, step 2, and so forth. Video number 4 will take that map and we're going to talk about the different affiliate plugins that are available to you and how you can utilize that map to maybe fulfill the vision that you see in video number 3. And of course, in video number 5, we'll talk about add-on plugins, meaning if you're going to install or you're going to set up a affiliate system, what are some additional features and additional things that you can add on to the affiliate program besides the core features? So you have an idea of the different options you can do, like you can maybe pay people via a certain payment processor, or you can give them like lifetime commissions, or it really depends on what your vision is. Video number 6 and 7 is the setup process, setup part number 1 and part number 2. And we're going to show you how to take what you've just planned, what you've just structured as a mind map, and implement them utilizing the recommended affiliate plugins. So with that said, go ahead and grab this video series now and learn how you can set up your own WordPress affiliate system so that you can focus on growing and scaling your business.
But before you do that, guys, that bonus for you. So I'm going to move on to that now. So here we go, my bonus bonanza. So with that course, that video course there, by the way, I forgot to mention, that is worth $47. Okay, today I'm giving it away free. So I don't know how long I can do that for. But with that, you'll also get my bonus bonanza, 50,000 visitors delivered to any website or blog, free, no strings attached. Okay, so that's any website or blog of your choice, anything. It can be an affiliate link or anything. Okay, so to gain access to both WordPress affiliate system and your free 50,000 visitors, click the link below here, guys. Get on it. I don't know how long I can keep this open for. Okay, until next time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.